joining me here in the attic, so pull up a chair, grab your favorite beverage, and we'll get to crafting and memory keeping. I'm excited to announce that I'm putting my first full journal kit in my Ko-fi shop.
The kit is called Mystical Romance.
I'm going to do a brief flip through here of the pages in the journal kit. I also have 12 by 12 pattern paper that matches the kit and a folio that matches the kit. And I will have a bundle available that has the journal kit, the 12 by 12 pattern paper, and the folio in it. But I'm just going to do a brief flip through here of the journal kit and the folio because the 12 by 12 pattern paper will match the patterned paper in the journal kit, but the journal kit papers are in the 8.5 by 11 size. I wanted to add the 12 by 12 papers because some people like myself do like to scrapbook and could possibly have digital scrapbooking they want to do that they could use the 12 by 12 paper, or have a printer that will print in 12 by 12 format. So I wanted to include that too. So I'm going to add some music here and just do a brief flip through of the kit, and then I'll come back and we'll talk a little bit more. My plans for the channel here is that I hope to be able to design a digital kit, one each month, that I will then do a full tutorial of a journal broken up in several videos here on my channel. So if you'd like to go over and grab the kit and follow along with those tutorials, I will have the link down in the description box where you can find my kit over on my Ko-fi shop, but you can also follow the tutorial with your own kit if you would like to do that. The inks that I'm choosing to work with this kit, I normally like to pick 3 base inks that I can do stamping and distressing with, and I've picked Aged Mahogany, Milled Lavender, and Hickory Smoke. And then I like to have one neutral ink that I can use with the kit to possibly distress edges, and I have picked Scorched Timber. I want to talk briefly about my ephemera, especially the fussy cuts. I have not done a hard outline edging around the fussy cuts. I have chose to make soft shadows around this. I do not personally like the hard white edges of like stickers. I end up inking those out to make that white edge go away. So I wanted to create something that you could fussy cut without having to be too terribly detailed around some of these images, and not have to worry about that white background. So that's what I've done with my fussy cuts here. Leave me some comments down in the comment section and let me know what you like about fussy cuts. If you like the hard white outline or if something more soft and subtle is more your style. I'd love to get other people's input for that. But again, I do plan on, over the month of February, having some tutorial videos out to create a complete journal. My goal is to have one each week so that we can walk through this journal step by step in creating it.
So grab your supplies, be sure to hit the subscription button and the notification bell so you'll be notified the next time I put up any new content so that you can come back and create this mystical romance journal with me. And until I see y'all again here in the attic, y'all take care.